What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. I forgot to film an intro for this one, it seems. I can't find it anywhere. So this is the intro for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay guys, so jumping onto the charts here, basically very simple trade. We had a muck around for a while. We had the CPI news, which we saw in the last trade, which gave us this crazy price action. We then had the overnight highs here, which we eventually broke out of, okay, and price moved to the upside, and then we had that crazy volume and stuff from CPI, and then what we've had is price close back in the zone, okay, so you can see the highs here. Okay, this is the high of the Asia range. We then had a close below. We then had that white bullish candle which closed directly on the resistance there. Okay, so was resistance, became support, it's now become resistance again, and then we had a break of a candle low as this one respected that candle's high. So everything matches up for our rules. Okay, we drop down to the 5-minute chart and we're going to bring our stop loss to above this high because this is the candle which broke the low. Okay, so it looks like it's let's just make sure we got the right candle here. Okay, so actually no, it's this low. Okay, so we're actually going to go for that 2-pip stop there. And I know that seems small, but that is our rules now. If we get that, so that is at 1321. So this could end up being a small loss, but it also could end up being a large gain because this is now a 1 to basically 4 risk to reward ratio trade. Okay, so we have now got our stop loss just above here. And we'll see how this goes. A very low risk trade. We're only going to be risking 2 pips. I got a 50 cents lot on. And if I just jump over to what I use here. So we've got Aussie dollar shift. 2 pips. It's a $10 loss if we lose this trade, which obviously is next to nothing against what we've already gained today, which is $93. So not too worried about this trade. Obviously, if it goes in our favor, then it is absolutely fantastic. If it goes against us, then we're not that bothered. So we'll see how it goes. Currently about halfway out of profit, 1 pip out of profit. We're currently about $8, $9. Now it's $10. So it's probably a little bit more with the spread. But let's see how it goes. Still got 45 seconds on this candle. Hopefully we can keep some volume pushing down to this area. You can see we've got some good looking stuff and this wick field to potentially take out as well. So let's see how it goes and see if we can get a turnaround from here. If not, then we lose the trade and we move on. And if by magic I changed my clothes, I just changed my t-shirt because I've had that one all day. I'm just about to head out, but we just got stopped out, as you can see, for a loss of $12.17 with a potential reward of what would the reward have been if we made a full thing, for a potential reward of $41. So we weren't over risking there. It was really nice. We risked next to nothing and we took the chance and we didn't quite get the trade, but that's okay. That is what happens. I don't know what I'm doing now. That's the video I'm currently recording. Sorry about that. Currently editing. Lost my OBS. There we go. So yeah, anyway, we'll leave the trade there. It was an unfortunate one. We went for the trade. I reckon potentially if we had our stop above this high here, then that would probably be the one that works out for us. But decided to take a trade later on in the day, which isn't something that we normally do. But it was looking quite good. Didn't work out. We risked only 2 pips and we're out the trade. So there we go. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We're keeping this challenge moving. We're down $12.17, which leaves us currently, and I'll throw this on the screen before I go. Sorry, guys. We're at $280.17 and we've got to get to $400. So we've got $120 left to get. Hopefully we can get that by the end of the week. That would be ideal. So let's see what happens in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you there. Peace.